Okay kids, today I have a surprise for you. I have a big surprise for you kids. I have an ice cream cupcake. Gummy cupcake. Delicious. Wow! These are ice cream cupcake. Delicious. Before you play in our playgrounds, I will give you one by one. First is forDORA ice cream. Thank you, thank you. Another one, ice cream cupcake, is for Jollibee. Thank you, thank you. And the yellow cupcake ice cream is for Monkeyko. Thank you. How about me? Of course, you have also another one for you. Yippee! Okay, I have a right Jollibee gum here. It's not two for you. And of course, I get two for me too. Yummy! How about me? Of course, you get one. I like this color of cupcake ice cream. Me too. I like the cupcake ice cream. Okay, no problem. Okay, enjoy your ice cream. Time to play. Sing, yippee, da-da, sweet. Okay, slide. How about Jollibee? Yippee, ew. How about Dora? Okay, yippee. Woo. Wow. It's a family and friends gathering together. Everybody enjoy the cupcake ice cream and they play in the playground. Wow! Okay, let us count how many cupcake ice cream are there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 cupcake ice cream. Delicious. Okay, enjoy the party. But wait, there's more. We have a tour with the POLLY Pockets boat, luxury boat. Let us see the luxury POLLY Pockets. Wow! You see that? Okay, go down. You have also an ice cream here. Thank you, thank you. Wow, delicious ice cream cupcake. Can I go with your car? Okay. How about me? I like cupcake ice cream too. Okay. I have a trip here with your POLLY Pocket boats. Oh, this is nice. You can open here. Look at that. Wow, nice boat. And of course, you have a mirror here. A side mirror to see the sea. And you have a live boat, live here. Live tire here. For safety. And there's more. You can extend this one by opening this one. Let us see. Pull. I can't pull. Okay, pull down. Yeah, there you are. Oh, there you are. You see that? If you want to sunbathing, you sit down here. And you can do also a slide here to the mini pool. What is this? This is my costume when I go swimming, like a mermaid. And this is my suit. Of course, inside here is a private pool where you can swim inside. And if it is very hot, you can cover it. Wow, very nice boat. Can we go and tour to the boat now? Of course, you are welcome. Let's go. Wow, nice. I like it on the top of the boat. Me too. I like it. How about me? Okay. Oh, Lucy. Me too. I like it at the top. Yee. Me too. I like to go to the sliding pool. Yee. And of course me. I go with monkey. This is fun in your boat. Nice boat. Okay, time to close up the boat. Nice tour. This boat is used for our family vacation. And it's really a lot of adventure in the sea. Wow, exciting. Okay, let's close the boat now and have a ride, everybody. Toot, 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 toot. Close now the boat. Toot, 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 toot. Okay, there you are. Close now. Let's try to have a tour. Let's go all inside. Go! 1, 2. Okay, welcome to our boat. Welcome, welcome. Let's go all in. And let's have a ride in the sea adventure. Me too, I like it. Wow. How about Jolly? Where you go? Here. And of course, the jolly, happy family. Okay. Yippee! Yippee! Yay! Oh, everybody enjoy boating. And of course, enjoy the cupcake ice cream. Yummy! Delicious! Yippee! Yippee!